Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Samsung washer UR error code. So first thing, understand the UR code. So it stands for unbalanced load during the spin cycle. So the washer can spin properly due to uneven weight. So first, press pause. Open the door and rearrange or remove some clothes to balance the load. And guys, remember that don't wash a single bulky item like a blanket or towel alone. It can cause imbalance, and add a few smaller items to help the balance. Another one is make sure the washer is on flat, stable surface, and adjust the legs if the machine wobbles or shakes. And now just simply close the door and press start and let the washer try spinning again with the adjusted load. So you could just simply try out different load to fix the issue. Now if the error still repeats, unplug the washer for 1 to 2 minutes to reset it, and from there just simply plug it back in. And if the issue persists, you may contact the Samsung support. There you go, see ya.